Hello, welcome to New Cars Reviews today with another video. The Mercedes-Benz GLS 450d for AIRMATIC is a luxury SUV that combines elegant design with robust performance and advanced features. Exterior design. The GLS 450d boasts a commanding presence with sleek lines and a bold front grille. Features include LED headlights, chrome accents, and 20-inch alloy wheels, contributing to its sophisticated and dynamic appearance. Interior design. Inside, the GLS 450d offers a spacious cabin with high-quality materials such as leather upholstery and wood trim. The SUV accommodates up to 7 passengers across 3 rows, with heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting enhancing comfort and luxury. Performance. Equipped with a 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged diesel engine, the GLS 450d delivers 360 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes-Benz all-wheel drive system, it accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in approximately 6.5 seconds. The AIRMATIC air suspension system ensures a smooth ride across various terrains. Functions and features. Infotainment. The GLS 450d features the MBUX infotainment system with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control. Safety. Advanced safety systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. Convenience. Keyless entry, a power liftgate, tri-zone automatic climate control, and multiple USB ports are standard. Overall, the Mercedes-Benz GLS 450d for AIRMATIC offers a blend of luxury, performance, and advanced technology, making it a strong contender in the luxury SUV market.